I visited a friend's farm. I'm going to tell all about what I saw and share this wonderful experience. Let's start with the animals. Ready? The rooster is crowing early in the morning. The rooster is crowing early in the morning. The cows are eating grass. The cows are eating grass.
The horse is running near the barn. The horse is running near the barn.
Fred is feeding the sheep. Fred is feeding the sheep. The calf is drinking milk from its mother. The calf is drinking milk from its mother. The crow is sitting on the fence. The crow is sitting on the fence. The sheepdog is helping the farmer with the sheep. The sheepdog is helping the farmer with the sheep. Fred is watching a bee near the garden. Fred is watching a bee near the garden.
The pig is sleeping near the barn. The pig is sleeping near the barn.
I'm seeing the goose swimming in the pond. I'm seeing the goose swimming in the pond. The farmer is feeding the cattle in the field. The farmer is feeding the cattle in the field. The squirrel is climbing the tree. The squirrel is climbing the tree. Fred is petting the friendly pony. Fred is petting the friendly pony. Fred is watching the bull in the pasture. Fred is watching the bull in the pasture. The green frog is sitting on a rock. The green frog is sitting on a rock. Fred is watching the goat that is climbing the rocks. Fred is watching the goat that is climbing the rocks. Fred is feeding the ducks by the lake. Fred is feeding the ducks by the lake. Fred is watching the rabbit hop across the field. Fred is watching the rabbit hop across the field. Fred is watching the turkey in the yard. Fred is watching the turkey in the yard.
Fred is watching the peacock by the fence. Fred is watching the peacock by the fence.
In the next video, I will present places, terms, and buildings of the farm. See you soon. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.